Are you ready?
Yeah, you?
No. What? Because the smack talk started 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, by you. Yeah.
Well, all I said was, I'm not worried because you're not as fast as you used to be.
Yeah, so it kind of riled me up that a little bit.
I was just being playful. You've taken it too seriously.
Yeah, it's my job to take it seriously. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens. I'm surprised you've taken your chest guard off.
Oh, no. Oh, God.
Well, I'm kind of starting to feel sorry for him, so I'm wondering whether I should just cut the pace down a little bit and let him hit one.
He's done reasonably well
He's
then.
done very well, yeah. Yes.
Good
I
technique.
wasn't expecting him to hit as many as he has.
Well, I think you need to sort of change that then.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I didn't see about 3 of them.
Well, you did. I thought you did pretty well. I knew that I had a bit of extra pace in the locker in case you got a bit too cocky.
What do you reckon of my batting? What would you do, coach?
I thought it was good. Played nice and straight. Left well. Real opening batter.
I'm good at leaving. Quite good at bowling at tail-enders. And here's one of the most famous tail-enders in the world. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, thank you! Thank you so much!
Not just cricket,